Welcome back, babes. We have massive news for Solana, Terra Luna, Bitcoin, Visa, and MetaMask. Let's get straight into it. Welcome back to the O Show, everything crypto every day. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, set alerts so you do not miss any news. Follow me on Twitter and TikTok and click notifications. This story, I think, is primarily why we're seeing Bitcoin become bullish. Do Kwon, besides Satoshi, we will be the largest single holder of Bitcoin in the world. If you guys do not know who Do Kwon is, he is one of the masterminds behind UST from Terra Luna, which is their stablecoin. Taking a look at this story over here from the block, crypto sellers are staying on the sidelines as Terra moves to buy billions in Bitcoin. Some key takeaways for this article here. The Forbes 30 Under 30 blockchain startup founder revealed his plans to purchase billions of dollars in Bitcoin to serve as reserves for its algorithmic stablecoin, UST. Shortly after the announcement, Kwon issued a proclamation to crypto bears, goblins, in a March 24 tweet. We have a message for the citizens of Goblin Town. Your days are numbered. Our orange battalions will overwhelm your defenses and return your cities to the dirt. Your fields will be sown with salt so that no future bearish thoughts will grow. The sun or the moon is coming. Probably the moon. I can't see. Anyways, you guys, he's stating that we are going to buy Bitcoin now because we're trying to bootstrap the reserve. Let's talk about this a little bit. So basically what they're doing is they're backing their stablecoin with Bitcoin. And Blockchain Miners Club actually did this with their NFTs, which is a very amazing concept. The way that stablecoins generally work, they're pegged one-to-one to the US dollar and other types of reserves that kind of back the US dollar or whatever fiat currency. But Terra Luna Foundation is taking a very, very unique approach over this. And in this article over here by Crypto Briefing, Terra has been in the crypto spotlight over the past week after the Luna Foundation Guard, LFG, let's effing go, outlined its plans to increase its Bitcoin reserves to $3 billion, with a long-term view to building a $10 billion fund. The LFG has been making daily Bitcoin purchases in bulk, batches of 125 million, helping the leading crypto asset rise. So this is actually good for the market. But one of the concerns I do have with Terra Luna is that to kind of help with their stablecoin, they had deals with VCs that was done privately. And one of the things that I do want to know is when these lockup periods come where they can go ahead and sell on the open market or OTC, because that will impact the market. At the end of the day, this is bullish for the market long term. I love the fact of a Bitcoin-backed stablecoin, but I still have a little bit of concerns and I do need to do a little bit more digging. If you guys have any additional information, drop it below. But when we take a look at price here, and on the Sunday night live stream, I said we're just going to go ahead and follow this line here. Well, not necessarily exactly, but I says we're in an uptrend and we will continue to climb up. And we did. Luna broke all-time high at about $107. And we're having a bit of a retrace. To be honest with you, even if we retrace all the way to $101 to $91, I'm still going to be bullish on Luna. Taking a look at our indicators here on the daily, we've got confliction here, and that's because we're in the middle of pulling back a bit. 12-hour chart is showing confliction again. So when I see confliction on the charts, I take a step back and I kind of watch to see what happens. Because we surpass all-time high, we could get a little bit volatile here. Also, too, we're seeing indication of consolidation, a possible correction. So I would just watch between the levels of 101 and $91. That would be invalidated if, in fact, we flip above 115. This chart is backed by Fibonacci extensions. And as far as our homegirl Bitcoin is doing, Miss B, she's kind of chilling. I told you guys yesterday and earlier this week that Market Cypher is showcasing that we are a little bit overbought. That's okay, though. We've been holding on to support immensely well at approximately 46,000, well, closer to 46.8 over here. One of the things I don't like about this chart currently is I don't like these swing wick highs that occurred March 28th and March 29th, and now we're correcting a little bit. However, I do like the swing wick low and the fact that the bulls stepped in and bought that up. Taking a look at our 6-hour chart, it's looking like we could possibly correct just a tad. If we do break this level here at 46.6, I would look between 45.4 and 44.5 for a possible correction. A bullish scenario would be for us to sustain 46.7 and continue to climb up to about $51,000. Now let's talk about this. MetaMask allows iPhone users to buy crypto with Apple Pay. So there's a lot of things that we need to discuss here. First off, this is great for mass adoption. Absolutely love it. The thing I don't like about MetaMask on a mobile phone is it is very, very dangerous. If something happens, if your phone gets compromised, if you click on something you're not supposed to, your wallet could be completely drained. And hackers know this and people with bad intentions know this. So all that I ask, if you guys are going to download this, which I'm not going to be downloading and utilizing Apple Pay, I think it's dangerous. I don't think it's a good idea. If you guys do decide to do this, make sure you have a throwaway phone that is kind of wiped, that's not really linked to you. Do not use it with your daily phone. This is why I've got 2 phones for separate things, and I've got a couple more hidden away for other stuff. But be very careful here. This could potentially be dangerous. Next, Opensea confirms it will start listing Solana NFTs in April. Solana NFTs have been absolutely popping off, and it's good because Ethereum gas transactions are so high. I tried to swap like $300 worth of a dead moon bag that I had forever because I needed to send payment somewhere. And to swap that $300 from whatever altcoin it was into USDC or Tether, I forgot which one it was going to cost me like $800. So the fact that we can start using Solana on Opensea for NFTs in April is bullish to me. And as far as Solana price goes, we talked about this range here. I says we're going to consolidate and possibly break out. I did give a bearish prediction as well because I think that's important. We're looking absolutely beautiful here. And if we do close above $120, we should be able to hit about 154 to approximately 142. I'm getting these levels right here with the swing wick high that occurred back in beginning of the year. And then I also like the top of this candle here at 136 as we really kind of started to get this breakdown here. So I'd be looking for a potential range with Solana at these levels, 157 to 136. If we get bearish, we'll just kind of retrace back in this range between 95 to approximately 120. Next, Visa program to help creatives build their businesses with NFTs. NFTs are not going anywhere, babes. No way, no how. I love NFTs. I love that this is happening. I love that Visa understands the importance of NFTs. But furthermore, when I'm talking about NFTs and why I'm so bullish on them, I am bullish on NFTs for creators, for musicians, for artists, people who were preyed upon for years and years and years. They're going to be able to take their power back and have complete ownership of their stuff. And this is just positive, great news for the advancement of NFTs. Yes, I'll be speaking at NFT LA today at 12:45. If you see me, I'll catch you there. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, set alerts, and I'll catch y'all later. Bye-bye.